Okay, you guys, I am going to show you how I created the images on my water bottles. Okay, again, this set of images I am going to place on my oldest daughter water bottles and her babies. She got two babies, so one for her daughter and one for her son. Okay, so I'm gonna try my best to explain to you what I did. um okay, so I am going to show you how I created man's little sippy cup. So we're going to use him as an example, okay? So what you see right here is actually two parts. This was created on wordart.com, okay? So I'm going to show you how I did that real quick. This portion right here, how I took the background out of the picture, I did that on Canva. So I'm going to show you that as well. So first of all, let's start with this right here, the word art. Okay, so in order to create this, all you need to do is go to Wordart. This is what it looks like. Before I explain exactly what I did, let me throw this out at you. I learned this from Charmaine Galloway on YouTube, and I recommend that you watch her video because she goes into great detail how to use word art. Okay, I'm not going to do all that. I'm just going to show you the basics on what I did, and that's it. Okay, so this is what you're going to come to once you go to word art, right? And you're going to hit create now. And all I did over here on the left side, you can see right here, it has like little words right here. It says word, cloud, and art. This is where I'm just going to type the baby's name. So I'm going to type his first name, his last name, and I'm going to type his middle name. And also he has a nickname. We call him Man. So we used to call him Little Man, but the boy ain't little. Yeah, so we call him Mans. Okay, so where it says where right here, I'm just gonna clear that out and put his first name. Did I spell it wrong? Okay. And then, no, you know what? I lied. I want to put his middle name first. I'm sorry, his nickname first. So I'm gonna put Mans right here. And then the second, I'm gonna put his first name. Okay. Then I'm going to add his middle name. And then I'm going to put his last name. Okay. Now, and then we're going to hit visualize so we can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's not the shape I want. So I'm going to go down to shapes, and I am going to rock with the regular square. So I'm just going to scroll down and find the square. Boom, there you have it. Hit visualize again. There, much better. So this is what it's going to look like, okay? So let's hit words. And all I'm going to do is simply change the color. Okay, so I'm filling this blue because it matches the lid. So I want it to mainly be blue. Let me see. Mans, I want to stand out. You know my favorite color is black, so I'm going to rock with black. So I'm going to hit black. I just clicked on where it says color right here. And this pops up. Hit black. And then I'm going to do apply. Boom. Okay, so that's good. That's good right there. And I'm only going to change just a little because I don't want that much color in here. So I'm going to change his last name. So here's his last name right here. Where's his pour? And I'm going to, where's this default right here under color? I'm going to click that. And I am going to actually change it to this dark gray right here. And hit apply. Boom. Looks good to me. I like it. You can change to whatever colors you want. Like I said before, please check out Charmaine Galloway's video, and she will explain step by step. She goes into great details on how to use Wordart. Okay, so I'm satisfied with this. I'm just going to simply go up to the top where it says, and also the other video that I did, how to change the clothes on your image, I learned it from her as well. So I love her videos. I recommend y'all check her out. Okay, so I'm going to simply go to download and hit standard PNG. Boom, just like that. And then I'm going to close this out. And I'm going to actually click this off. Okay, because we're going to recreate it. So I'm going to clear that off. And then I'm going to simply hit upload. Upload again. Okay, I click back to Cricut Design Space. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm using Cricut Design Space. So that's what we're working with right now. Okay, so I'm going to hit browse. And I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom. And click on, we'll reset right here, Wordart 4. Click that. Boom, there you have it. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to hit complex, continue at the bottom right hand corner. That looks good. I do not want to erase anything. I want to just like that. Hit apply and continue at the bottom right hand corner. Click the right side where it says print and cut image. So we're going to click that and then hit upload. Boom, there you have it. But since I previously already did it, I'm going to use the one that I done, this one right here on the right side. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that. So let's get back to our images. Oh no, I lied. Let me pull that up. I'm gonna go ahead and rock with this so y'all can see. This is the one that we just pulled up. All right, so I'm gonna rock with that because I forgot to erase the other one. So we're gonna pull that up, upload that. Boom, this is the one we did. Now what you need to do is measure your water bottle, your sippy cup, your baby bottle, whatever you are doing. You need to measure it, your width, and measure your height. Okay, and that will determine how big you want this. Now you can do a part of the water bottle or you can wrap it all the way around. It's your choice. In my case, I'm just going to do partial. So I'm going to use the measurements off of this one, which is 5.5 width. Whoa. Oh, okay, I know what I did. Let me unflatten this. Let me move the baby off. Okay, there we go. So I'm going to unlock this at the bottom left hand corner. Is a little lock. You're going to click on that to unlock it. And I'm simply going to go up to the top where it says W for my width. And I'm going to change that to 5.5. And we're also going to change our height. We're changing our height to 3.5. Okay, and that is how big my little sippy cup is. Okay, so this is, we're gonna rock with this. It does not wrap all the way around. Remember, we're just doing a part of the water bottle. We're gonna see what that looks like. Okay, now I am going to show you how to put your baby on there. Okay, this is my grandbaby right here, and there was a background. I am going to actually upload the original picture so you can see. Let me view all. Let me see if I can find the picture. Do I have it on here? It might not be on here. Yeah, no, I don't have it all. Okay, I lied. Let's go back to the. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how. Okay, Cricut Design Space acting up on me. Come on now. I'm trying to do something. Okay, there we go. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is switch over to Canva. All right, so I'm going to switch over to Canva and I'm going to show you how to do the baby. All right, so I'm just going to click. I love Canva. I do everything on Canva. So I'm going to click this. It's one of my old thumbnails, just for like a quick example. All right, and I'm simply going to see down here where it says add page. I'm going to click on that and it's going to have a blank page. All right, so then I'm going to hit my uploads And what you want to do, let me find that picture. Here it is right here. Okay, so what you want to do is go ahead and upload your picture. You're going to go to upload, and this purple part right here says upload. You want to upload one of your pictures, okay, whatever picture you want to do. Okay, so since this is the one I want to do, I uploaded him. This is the original picture. Now what I want to do is get rid of the background, and it's super simple, you guys. All you have to do is go up here where it says edit image, click on that, and you're going to go down, and right here where it says background remover, click on that. Let it wait, let it do its thing. Boom, there you go. Just the baby. Ain't he so cute? That's my grandbaby, y'all. He's so fresh. Okay, so now since we got the background removed, perfect, this is what we want. Now you're going to go up to the top right here on the right hand side where it says download. Click on that, and then you want to click on where it says transparent background. Click that. Okay, now you're going to go down where it says all pages. Click on that, because we do not want all the pages. We just want where the baby at. Okay, so click, see where that's highlighted, click that off. Okay, and then it's automatically click everything blank. Now just click on the one you want, which is page 2, which just has the baby on there. So we're going to click that. Boom, that's what we want. We're going to hit done, and then we're going to hit download. Alright, now we're good with that. That is how you get rid of, that's how I get rid of the background on my pictures. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to Cricut. Boom. Let me move him out the way. Put him over there. I forgot how. Okay, so now we're going to go back to Cricut, and we're going to hit upload, upload image, browse. Now we're going to upload the image that we just saved, right? Scroll all the way down. Boom, there it is. Click that, open. There he is, you guys. And hit complex, continue. Isn't he so precious? Hit apply and continue. We don't want to erase anything. He looks good. Hit print, then cut image, upload. Boom, there he is. Now click him, add to canvas. We're going to put him on our canvas. Boom, and there you have your baby. That is how you remove the background from your picture. Okay, so I'm simply going to stretch him out how big I want him to be. Stick his little self up on there, and since you know his hand is right here and it looks kind of weird, I'm simply going to put him by a letter so it looks like he's holding on to that letter O. Or do I want him to hold on to the R? Which one looks better, you guys? And I think he's a little bit too big. Let me make him smaller. There you go. We'll rock with the O. He'll hang on to that O. So I just want to position him accordingly where it looks like he is. There we go, right there, right there. And then what I do is I simply highlight both the Wordart and my little baby, my image. Highlight both of those and go down to the bottom right hand side and hit flatten. So now they're stuck together. Boom, there you have it. I am going to do the exact same thing to all of my image. So that's man's. This is my baby, grandbaby, Monty. So I did the same thing with her and the mama. Okay, and hers I can do all things through Christ that strengthens me. Excuse me, Philippians 4. What is that? I forgot what it is. 4:13. Sorry guys. 4:13. Okay, so that's the mamas and her babies. And that is how I did the images for this set of water bottles, okay? Now, please check out the other part, how to create the water bottles. All right? Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessed one.